इतना अच्छा सम्मान दिलाया ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, तो उसके लिए मैं आपको बधाई देना चाहती हूँ पहले तो। जी, सेकंड थिंग ये कि जो OTT चैनल्स हैं उनमें हर तरह का कंटेंट चलते हैं। अभी मेरे एक साथी ने पूछा कि इंटरनेशनली इसको किस तरह से हम पोर्ट्रे करेंगे आगे, तो उसी पर मेरा ये सवाल है कि जो कंटेंट की अगर हम बात करें तो पंचायत या फिर मिर्ज़ापुर इस तरह की चीज़ें भी हमारे देश में काफ़ी पसंद की जाती हैं। तो उस बेस पे अगर हम बात करें तो जैसे ये जर्नलिस्ट बनेंगी तो क्या हमें उस तरह का चीज़ भी मिलेगी, धारदार जर्नलिज्म या उस तरह की बातें हमारे को मिलेंगी आपके शो के थ्रू?
देखिए, आई थिंक जो बे का जो सफर है और जिस तरह वो पेश आती है स्पेशली क्लोजिंग एक्ट्स में टुवर्ड्स द एंड, और जब आप ये शो को, जैसे मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि जब आप शो को दूर की नजर से अगर देखो तो ऐसा लगता है कि एंटरटेनिंग है, ग्लॉसी ग्लैमरस शो है, लेकिन काफी मजेदार चीजें होती हैं शो में इस कैरेक्टर द्वारा। और मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि ये कोई टेक्स्ट बुक ऑन जर्नलिज्म वाली कोई शो है, बस जरूर ये कहूंगा कि जो शो की जो पॉलिटिक्स है, जो वो हम कहना चाहते हैं, जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो बहुत सही है, और ये देश विदेश हर कोई रिलेट कर पाएगा। मुझे लगता है जो मुद्दा है शो का, फाइनली जो मुद्दा खुलता है, तो वो मुद्दा आई थिंक हर कोई रिलेट कर पाएगा, चाहे वो हमारे देश के हो या विदेश के हो। तो आई डेफिनेटली थिंक इट्स अ शो विद एब्सोल्युटली यूनिवर्सल अपील एंड विद अ मैसेज।
Thank you for your question and thank you, Karan.
Right now, but I think we all really love singing it. So once you hear it, you can join us in singing this song as well.
Would you sing us a couple of lines?
Am I allowed to?
Am I allowed to?
Please, please.
Oh,
Come on.
okay.
Yes, please.
तेरे बिना मैं जाऊं कहाँ, दिल तेरा है, देखो जरा अगर दीदो तो ख्वाब मेरा, सोनी सहर तो शाम मेरा, तू ना हो तो क्या काम मेरा, तू ही बता। तेरी ये जो यादें सताए up all night, तेरी ये जो यादें तेरे बिना मैं।
Wow!
I'll leave you with that.
That is amazing, and thank you for the prompting because this was completely unplanned. And can I please tell you, ये बिल्कुल planned नहीं था, and if that's what you sound like,
Lucky I remember
on
the
point.
words.
It's amazing. Yeah, thank you. This is awesome. Can we have our next question, please?
So that doesn't become the holding emotion. I think they're very interesting characters, so I don't think that the perception or we're trying to sort of project a character as being blonde, but I think there is a slight like a wink and nudge at privilege, and having someone who's grown up in a so-called bubble. How does she, when she has to face the harsh reality, not even the harsh reality, the reality of the world, her first job, she's grown up in complete luxury. What does it mean to actually come to Bombay and hustle? I think it's an emotion that so many people will relate to. Coming, renting an apartment, going to work, traveling by rickshaw, all of these things. But the worldview is very different. Like if there, so she may say a few odd things like, oh, are there seat belts? But she's coming from her worldview where, oh my God, seat belts mean safety. And rickshaw में इतने झटके लगते हैं, मतलब seat belt क्यों नहीं है? So it's something to think about actually. But but so it's just sweet moments like that. But what actually drew me to this character is that she has a complete positive outlook to life. She will view everything and take the positives out of it. And I think that's something that we see in her journey. And it's actually an underdog story of someone who's privileged. Anything you like to add, Ananya?
Yeah, I think Colin answered that question about our take on privilege really well. But also, I think as a character, I never made fun of Bey. Even though she was saying really silly things, like there's one scene where she's talking to a fridge and she's trying to get the fridge to answer back to her. And I remember everyone in the table read was like, what is she doing? But I went with it. I completely, believed what she was doing. And I think that's the most important, not to judge her as a character and do everything with honesty. And as Colin said, she's a very positive girl, even though many people would have judged her and do judge her and are probably saying that she's a blonde or she doesn't know this, she doesn't know that. I think the best quality of hers is that she doesn't judge people back, and she keeps saying that kindness is cool, and she never changes as a person. Even once she transforms and all these things happen to her in life, she stays that good-hearted, nice person. So I would say don't judge a book by a cover in the show as well as in real life, and I think that's a lesson we can all take from Bey.
Thank
Also
you for your
that
question.
Fridge scene will be in the deleted scenes.
Yeah, it's in the deleted scene, so I could say that.
Hi, Ananya. My question is to you. Sabina here from Zoom Channel. Hi, how are you doing? So I have to ask you this, that there was a point in life where you said like there is struggle and it became a meme material completely. But still, like you said, that you have your own struggles, whenever it comes to the industry, being a part of the industry world. What is that one thing which you struggle the most while trying to make a mark for yourself in the world of glamour?
Honestly, firstly, we made fun of that line, honestly, ourselves. We've kind of owned up to it. And I said it so long back. I said it 5 years ago. I really struggled with answering this question. Now, honestly, I'm done with that. But I think I'm just trying to keep my head down, work, and I hope people like my work. And there's no struggle. I'm doing fine only.
Thank you so much for your questions. It was such a fun Q&A, guys. Thank you for turning up in such wonderful numbers. We really look forward to your support.